Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2019 Infiniti Q50 LUXE all-wheel drive that we have for sale. We actually just took this in on trade for a brand new Infiniti. Obviously these people like Infiniti products. They actually purchased one new from us not too long ago. And this one's very lightly used, only 16,579 miles. Most people average about 12 to 13,000 miles a year, so this 2019 in January of 2022 has really low miles for the year. So if you're looking for a nice lightly used Q50, this is a great one to consider. Beautiful color combination in white on black leatherette. Clean Carfax, regular service history at Infiniti since new. We do have a complimentary Carfax report, and very nicely equipped with features too. We have the original build sheet on this one. So the base MSRP was $40,300, but when you add in all the equipment, that balloons all the way up to $48,210. So we have the essential package. That was $2650, giving you navigation, Infiniti InTouch services, Sirius XM traffic. That's a subscription-based service if you do want to utilize that. Heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 60/40 split fold rear seat, driver's seat power lumbar, and remote engine start. Then we have the Pro Assist package. That was $1,650, giving you blind spot warning, backup collision intervention. So if a vehicle is going to cross your path, or maybe a person, it will automatically hit the brakes when you're backing up. Round view monitor with moving object detection, and front and rear sonar system. This lovely shade of majestic white was a $500 premium color. And let's see what else we have. We have the all-weather package. That basically gives you all season floor mats. We have the Infiniti welcome lighting. That's pretty cool. So that was $465. So the Infiniti welcome lighting, basically when you walk up to the vehicle, the underneath of the vehicle will light up, creating this cool ambient look. Really looks cool, especially when you have it in your garage at nighttime. Then we have the Infiniti interior ambient lighting. So that creates ambient lighting on the inside. That was $445. And then the illuminated kick plates, $485. So there you have it. And of course we can print you up a copy or email you one if you want to look that over yourself. So we have a leatherette interior, we have a moonroof, we have wood trim, we have a drive mode selector that will make changes to steering effort, transmission shift points, traction stability control settings, 7-speed automatic transmission. We have power and heated front seats, dual display system. The top screen is for navigation and parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can actually access the drive mode selector here as well. All right, then we have a nice leather up steering wheel. It tilts and telescopes. As I mentioned, pretty low miles, 16,579 miles, pretty low miles for 2019. And as you can imagine, with such low miles, this thing is in really nice condition, hardly a mark on it. Really, really nice shape. And 2019 is a great year for the Q50 because it got its first major revision in 2018. So the inside was redesigned. I wouldn't say redesigned, but facelifted. So we have a new design in the steering wheel, shifter, the wood trim and stuff is a little bit different. And then the front and rear fascia was also redesigned for 2018, and we have a different design of alloy wheels. So pretty much this looks very close to like a 2021, 2022 Q50. You'd have a hard time telling them apart. So therein we have a trunk mat. That's nice to keep the trunk, carpeted part of the trunk nice and dry, easy to clean. The Q50 is a sport luxury sedan. Built on the same advanced front midship platform as a Nissan 370Z sports car. So even though it's a luxury sedan, this Q50 is very balanced and very good handling vehicle. It has intelligent all-wheel drive, which improves your weather traction, but the all-wheel drive will actually help improve handling as well. You can get in the power a little bit earlier in those corners, and that all-wheel drive system will help pull you through. Then we have a VR30 twin turbo V6 pumping out 300 horsepower. So this is a very, very quick car. Lots of pedigree, built and assembled in Japan. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.